Mastering preparation. The power of prepare in advance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase that can make a big difference in how you plan and execute your tasks. Prepare in advance. Understanding this phrase not only helps you better articulate your thoughts but also encourages a proactive approach in various aspects of life. Let's explore together why preparing in advance is a skill worth mastering. Prepare in advance is a phrase that combines two key concepts: preparation and timing. To prepare means to make ready or to arrange beforehand. Advance implies doing something before a certain time or event. So, when we say, prepare in advance, we're talking about the act of getting ready for something before it happens, ensuring that you're fully equipped to handle it with confidence and efficiency. Preparing in advance has several benefits that can significantly impact your personal and professional life. Here are a few reasons why it's a good practice. Reduces stress. By preparing ahead of time, you minimize the rush and panic that often come with last-minute preparations. Improves quality. It gives you the opportunity to refine and improve your work, as you have more time to review and adjust. Increases confidence. Knowing you've prepared well in advance boosts your confidence, making you more composed and ready to face the situation. Let's break down some practical tips on how to effectively prepare in advance. 1. Set clear goals. Know exactly what you need to achieve. Clear goals guide your preparation process. 2. Plan your steps. Break down your preparation into manageable tasks. Planning helps you cover all necessary aspects without feeling overwhelmed. 3. Start early. Give yourself ample time to prepare. Starting early means you won't have to rush through the process. 4. Review and adjust. Use the extra time to review your preparations and make any necessary adjustments. This ensures you're as ready as you can be. Even with the best intentions, there are common pitfalls to avoid when preparing in advance. Procrastination. Don't put off your preparations. Delaying can negate the benefits of preparing in advance. Over-preparation. While being thorough is good, over-preparing can lead to unnecessary stress. Find a balance. Ignoring new information. Stay open to new information or changes that might affect your preparation. Flexibility is key. We hope this exploration of prepare in advance has illuminated its importance and how you can apply it in your daily life. Remember, preparation is the key to success in any endeavor. Whether you're preparing for a test, a presentation, or any life event, doing it in advance sets you up for a smoother, more successful experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice this valuable skill in your own life. See you in our next video, where we'll continue to unlock the secrets of the English language together.